Welcome to Astrobhava and Vedic Secrets Inside, the podcast where ancient wisdom meets modern dilemmas. I'm your host, and today we are diving into something that resonates with almost everyone at some point in life, that nagging feeling of being stuck at a career crossroads. You know, that moment where you are staring at your LinkedIn wondering whether to change fields, go back to school, or start something on your own. Been there? You're not alone. But what if I told you that these roadblocks, these confusing pauses, might not just be about external circumstances or poor planning? What if they're also about cosmic timing? Today, we are talking about Rahu and Ketu, the shadow planets, and how Rahu Ketu Shanti Homa can help clear the fog and align your career path. So, what exactly are Rahu and Ketu? In Vedic astrology, Rahu and Ketu are not planets in the traditional sense, they are shadow nodes. Rahu represents illusion, obsession, and material desire, while Ketu, he is about detachment, past karma, and spiritual liberation. When they are not in a balance in your birth chart, especially during their Mahadasha or transit, things can get quite weird. You might feel directionless, opportunities slip away, or worse, you are stuck in a job that drains your soul. Let's take a real example. Meet Eliza, a 32-year-old marketing professional in San Francisco. She was killing it at a top tech firm, but suddenly, things began to unravel. She wasn't motivated, projects got delayed, promotions passed her by. She tried therapy, a career coach, even a 2-week solo trip to Sedona, but nothing really worked until her friend recommended a Nadi astrologer from Astrobhava. Through her Nadi leaf reading, she discovered she was going through Rahu Dasha with Ketu Antardasha, a time known for confusion, delays, and career missteps. She performed a Rahu Ketu Shanti Homa through Astrobhava. Within months, things shifted. She landed a new role with better pay, but more importantly, clarity. Coincidence? Maybe. But as we say in Vedic astrology, there are no coincidences, only karma and correction. Let's break this down. Rahu can make you chase shiny objects, jobs that look good on paper but aren't aligned with your soul, while Ketu disconnects you from the material world, making you disinterested in your career even when everything looks fine. When these two are out of sync, your career journey can feel like driving with the GPS glitching every few miles. That's where the Rahu Ketu Shanti Homa comes in. So, what exactly is Rahu Ketu Shanti Homa? It is a powerful Vedic fire ritual designed to appease the shadow nodes and restore balance. At Astrobhava, we conduct these homas with strict adherence to Vedic principles, performed by qualified priests with proper mantra chanting and scheduled during the most astrologically potent times. And yes, you can attend it online from anywhere in the world. Whether you are in New York City, Austin, or LA, we live stream the ritual and send you the prasadam and even provide post-Homa guidance for 21-day follow-up practices. Now you might be thinking, do I need a Rahu Ketu Homa? Or is it just for people with serious problems? That's a great question. Here's how to know. If you feel mentally blocked, unusually anxious, or confused despite having options, Rahu might be casting illusions. Or if you feel bored, emotionally detached, or feel like you have outgrown everything around you, Ketu might be prompting a spiritual shift. And if both are acting up, that's your cosmic SOS signal. Time to clear the karmic clouds and reboot your career GPS. Now let's address some of the common questions. Can this help if I am in between jobs? Absolutely. In fact, this is one of the best times to do the Homa. It clears mental fog, attracts the right interviews, and helps align with work that suits your soul purpose. What if I'm in the US? Will the time zone affect the ritual? Not at all. At Astrobhava, we perform homas on astrologically aligned timings, and you will be informed in advance. Even if you can't attend live, we share the recorded videos and send you personalized instruction for follow-up. Is this a one-time fix? It is not a magic wand, but it is a karmic detox. Many clients notice improvements within 21 to 90 days. Combine it with inner work, and the results are often transformative. If you are feeling stuck at your career crossroads, remember, you're not broken, you're just out of alignment. The universe isn't saying no, it is saying not yet until you clear this karma. At Astrobhava, we have helped hundreds across the globe, from software engineers to healthcare workers, find clarity, confidence, and cosmic support through Rahu Ketu Shanti Homa. Ready to take the first step? Visit us at astrobhava.com and check the link in the episode description to book your Rahu Ketu Shanti Homa session. And if you're curious about your planetary position, our team can help you get your Nari astrology reading too. You deserve a career that feels like alignment, not anxiety. Let's make that happen together. Thank you for tuning in to Astrobhava Insights. Until the next time, stay grounded, stay aligned, and trust the stars.